Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, I will show you beautiful crochet tablecloth design ideas. So viewers, my first idea is viewers. Round crochet tablecloth. Today I am sharing a beautiful round crochet tablecloth design. This design is elegant, soft and very detailed. It starts from the center and grows into a large round pattern. Each stitch is made with carefully, creating a lace-like texture that looks very classic. This tablecloth is perfect for dining tables or center table. It's give a royal and clean look to your home. You can use white here for a traditional style or soft color for a modern touch. Handmade crochet always bring warmth and beauty into a home. Take your time, enjoy every stitch, and creating something truly special. Square crochet tablecloth. I am showing a beautiful square crochet tablecloth design. This pattern is simple but very stylish. It is made with repeating stitching blocks which create a neat and balanced look. You can use this design for dining tables or weavers, coffee tables, and frames. Soft pastel colors make it look modern. Real white color give a classic feel. This is perfect for beginners and crochet. Easy, useful and beautiful for home decoration. Flower crochet tablecloth and frames. It is inspired by nature and flower. Each motif look like a small blooming flowers, and when joined together, it creates a full, beautiful table cover. You can use bright color for a cheerful look or soft tones for elegance. These designs bring freshness and joy into your home. Perfect for spring decoration and special celebration. Try this creative design and enjoy your crochet journey. Modern minimal crochet table runners and friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So viewers, Allah Hafiz, see you in the